In this video, I'd like to talk to you about Trakkit GPS. It's a new kind of GPS where you don't need to have a SIM card or any monthly fees to use it. It does both real-time tracking and GPS logging and recording. So you could put this, for example, on the trunk of your car. If you just want to know where the car has been, it'll record it, and when it comes back home, it automatically uploads it via your Wi-Fi. Not many loggers do this. So we'd also like to talk to you about where to install it in a vehicle. The best place we found is in front of the radiator. It has a clear line of sight. Nobody knows it's there, it's hidden, it's protected, and it stays out of the heat. This has its own internal batteries that are replaceable, by the way. You don't have to charge anything, so if you take it out, charge it, and then remember to put it back in. So you just replace the batteries. They're AAA energizers. So in this video, we'll show you also how to install this in the radiator. Very easy. You don't have to. Most trackers, you have to put them in the dash or take the dash apart or have someone else do it. This is very easy install. Pop the hood of your car, find a place in front of the radiator. There's metal brackets usually. Some are aluminum, so just flip our little box around and use the Velcro. If it's magnetic, fine, that's even better. Use the magnet, part of our case, and then hook it directly to the battery. Okay, I'll show you how to install the Trakkit GPS and the wiring system in your car. Here's our cable. We give you 15 feet of it, so you can coil up anything that's not used. Now, one of the best places to install our tracker is right in front of the radiator. So I'll show you in here. There's a metal brace. A lot of cars have a metal brace that runs down, and we simply stuck it right there. And you can run the wire up. Tie wrapped it right here. Now you can tuck this under and do a better install. For the purposes of the video, I wanted to show you what the cable's doing. Then you can tuck it away as you need. All you need to do is run it up and connect it directly to your battery. So the black will go to the negative and the positive will go to the positive. The red will go to the positive. And you have a fuse. Now we supply you with two different kinds of connectors. Okay, we give you these two types of connectors. So you can splice it on the end of our cable, whichever is easier. This connects directly to your fuse panel if you wanted it to. This one you can cut and splice it in. We give you the splicers and everything, so it's very easy. And the fuse. We recommend you connect it directly to the battery because if you turn the car off, the Trakkit will go into its own battery mode, and it doesn't need to. It's a very low power device, so keeping it on directly tied to your battery is probably better performance. Another thing, when you determine where you want to install the Trakkit, some vehicles, like I have a Tahoe, and a lot of the bracing in the front of the radiator is aluminum. So with the actual connector here, you can see that it's got on the two sides, you can put Velcro on this side, or you can use magnet on this side. So on my Tahoe, I have it mounted like this with the Velcro. So once you determine how you're going to orient it, then you can go and drill the cable hole through the mounting magnetic case. Once that's done, you can mount it. Start from mounting it at the radiator first, and then run your cable to the battery. Do the battery connection last. And that's it.